From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Joey Walker with your CW West afternoon forecast for today. And what an afternoon it is. Here's a live look at Beaver Stadium right now. Just a few passing clouds, but remaining relatively clear. And right now in State College, it is 55 degrees, and for once it actually feels like the real temperatures because we aren't experiencing a wind chill. So temperatures as of now, 55 in Johnstown, Indiana almost at 60 degrees, 59, Du Bois, 57, 56 in Clearfield, again in State College, 55, and the eastern portion of the state, not as warm as the western side, but still some impressive temperatures for this time of year. 48 in Williamsport, Allentown at 50, Philadelphia at 54, and Harrisburg at 53. Now, temperature changes have been significant over the past 24 hours, with most of us within the Commonwealth experiencing at least a 15-degree increase since yesterday, with some of us even hitting the 20-degree increase, and State College leading that 20-degree mark with a 23-degree increase since yesterday. So here's a future weather radar as of now. For today, we will be remaining relatively clear, but going into the overnight hours of Tuesday, we will be experiencing some clouds building up overnight and ushering in with that some rain for the early morning commute for those within the western and central portion of the state. Now, if you are in the eastern side of the state, you will be just remaining relatively overcast, but I cannot say the same for your evening hour commute, where you will be experiencing some impacts to your travel because of that rain, as well as the western side. But Harrisburg, if you're around that area, that is a little bit of a pocket, and if you're located just a little bit west of that, should be also remaining relatively overcast and not experiencing as much impacts as the western and eastern edges of the state. Now, as this system moves out by Wednesday, we will be left with some broken clouds and some scattered showers. So just to recap once again, for Wednesday, we will be experiencing just some scattered showers, but the real focus here is going to be for Friday morning and afternoon, because we are expecting a relatively large ice storm to be making its way into the state, with that rain and snow line being isolated to the southernmost and northernmost portions of the state. So if you're in Erie, you will be experiencing just snow, and if you're in the southern portions of Harrisburg and Philadelphia, you will be experiencing just rain, while the rest of us will be experiencing some form of a wintry mix. Now, this system will be moving out by Saturday, leaving us with just some cloudy skies and colder temperatures for the weekend. So to recap, for Tuesday, that early morning commute, if you're in the western and central portion of the state, you will be experiencing some impacts to your morning travel, with the westernmost portion seeing at least a quarter inch of rain by the early morning hours of Tuesday. Now, for the evening hour commute, that rain will be becoming much heavier within the western edge of the state, with Franklin even seeing a possibility of at least an inch of rain by 5:30, and the rest of the state joining in by 5 o'clock in that evening hour commute, joining for that quarter-inch mark of rain. So for today, a high of 57 with a mix of clouds and sun, with winds moving south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for tonight, staying relatively mild for this time of year, 44 degrees with clouds increasing overnight. And remember, with those clouds increasing, we will be seeing a system moving in for tomorrow, which we will be seeing intermittent rain showers with a high of 56, with winds within the 10 to 20 mile an hour range. So for your 7-day forecast, Monday partly cloudy and mild for 57. Tuesday, that rain becoming more prevalent, 56. Wednesday, our last warm day, unfortunately, 58 degrees. And then with that cold front moving in Thursday, plummeting temperatures back down to more seasonable temperatures for this time of year at 32. And with that cold front, the possibility of seeing some snow showers or even flurries in the area. Friday, there will be that AM wintry mix lingering into the afternoon, so travel will be absolutely hazardous in the morning. Make sure you have your de-icer ready and be safe on the roads, because it does not take much for you to lose control of your vehicle, especially with icy conditions. And for Saturday and Sunday, staying relatively cold with some cloudy skies, and that being it. I'm student meteorologist Joey Walker. Have a fantastic afternoon.